Yeah. Hello guys! Hello mga Katres Marias Vlog! Today's video nga pala guys ay ito yung aming dinner. Garlic buttered chicken. And then
Tuna niswa.
tuna niswa salad. Ayan. Wow! Looks delicious. May egg. And then may patatas.
Sorry yan ha.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Kayo guys. Umulan pala kanina, ma'am. First ulan ng May. Kaya yung mga bata takot na takot. Thank you so much guys for watching. Wow, ang ganda ng egg oh.
Siyempre. Sorry yan ha.
Ang ganda-ganda ng egg.
Ay!
Umiwalay. Yung aming chef for today.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ma'am
You're
Grace.
welcome.
Sa pagluto. At Ma'am Jody. Ito. Mayroon pa pala guys, pakita ko. May pansit pa pala kami. Ayan, pansit. Napakadaming sahog ito guys.
Sahog na may pansit na yun.
Sahog na may pansit. Pansit Bihon. Shout out kay Ma'am Ofe. Sana nakakain na kayo, Ma'am. It's final. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.